Blessings and peace. May the living spirit bring into your mind, heart, and body the abundance from the source of all creation, filling you from head to foot with the great presence of your higher self, enabling you to attract towards you all that you need in the beauty way, with the greatest of ease, in great abundance. Within you is a deep awareness, a consciousness, a divine presence, a knowing. Abundance is the state of being of that divine presence that is within you. It is already there. Relax. Know that you are connected to the source of all creation. Understand that within you is a great wisdom and a great knowing that is trying to be heard by you, that is trying to guide you from deep inside. Know that the abundance is here within this wisdom, within this knowing, and that as you allow this relaxed being to emanate, to radiate, so you will create outside you that same abundance, that same flowing presence. The feeling of abundance is a feeling of having everything you need. Feel inside yourself and know that that is so within this moment. Within this moment, a great creativity is within you, waiting to create everything you need. Everything comes from within you, beloved. Open to that which awaits you within. For every time you seek abundance outside you, subtly you are saying to the universe, you have not enough. And so know that it is within you already. And the universe most eagerly will supply you with that reflection as you create outside you the energy of what is inside you. As you breathe, feel it. Make space. Open. Feel the love that is within you. Know that the abundance is within the love. Breathe and make space. And understand that in this moment, abundance is in the very essence of your being. Breathe into it. Feel how loved you are, and that everything you need in this moment is entirely available to you inside. And as you awaken, look outside and see And you will notice abundance starting to appear in many, many forms. And as you come out of this contemplation, name all that you have. Feel the gratitude. Name it, say it. I have life. I have love. Name all the qualities that are within you, all the beauty that is around you. See how much you can find to be grateful for. This is the secret of the creation of abundance in your outer world. It is the appreciation of the abundance that is within. Blessings and peace.